on, y'all, man? I done bought myself a little Christmas present. I told y'all the last video I was gonna grab a 19X, man. Put that binary trigger on now.
Told you. I told you.
So, we finally got it, man. Finna do a little unboxing. Hope everybody enjoying their holidays for sure. Hope everybody enjoyed their Christmas and enjoy their New Year. So, let's get into this unboxing though. So like I said, y'all know what's in here. Y'all can tell by the color of the box and mode, man. Got that Glock 19X MOS. I'm gonna be putting the sight on here too at the end. I ain't gonna put the binary trigger on today. I'm still trying to see if I wanna go shoot the gun first and then put the binary trigger on. But y'all let me know. Is that something that I should do, opposed to do? But we finna get into it, man. Fresh out the box, let y'all see how it came in. Don't worry about the beaver tail being on there already. I put that shit on in the car. I couldn't wait to do something to it, bro. I was looking at that motherfucker. I was just like, damn. Went on to put the beaver tail on there. But everything else is how it came in. So show everything that's in the how it came. Show everything in the box first, and then I get back to the gun. But like I said, I put the beaver tail on. So this the other one. This one is the large one. So if you got bigger hands, you need a better grip on it. You know, you can put that large one on. It do make a difference. It really is. You can really tell the difference. So, like I said, I got the medium one on. I put that shit on in the car. So, got your 3 mags. They all say 17, but these two, as y'all can see, they got your they got an extra round in there, so these gonna hold 18. This one will be your 17 round. So you got your +2 mags. Well, you got your +1. You got 2 +1 mags, and you got your regular 17 mag. 17 round mag. Come with a cleaning tool, your safety lock, a rail for your Optic, which I'm gonna be putting that on. And some paperwork, man. You know, so you know how Glock do. You know how they send you though. So. But to the gun, we clear. You got your 30 barrel on here. You got your iron sights on here, which are tall. They usually don't come that big, but you know we got your MOS cut on here, so you got your MOS system on there. So the iron sights come tall for the sights. I guess help. You got your ambidextrous slide lock. So, like I said, I put my beaver tail on there already. So it's a nice brown. It's a coyote brown gun, man. And this gun, like, it got some gold flecks on it too. Brand new, it look good. I hopefully don't, you know, guns like this when you put too many rounds and they start getting black and shit at the top. But hopefully I keep this one clean. Y'all know I got the gold Rambo trigger for it. So like I said, y'all let me know. Should I go ahead and put this on and shoot it with the G-Flex trigger on there for the first time, or should I take it to the range, you know, break it in and then put the G-Flex trigger on? So y'all let me know what y'all to do, man. But New Year's, it's gonna be on there. It's gonna be on there for New Year's regardless. So we'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and compare it to the 17 and the 19 size comparison, see how they is. So we got the Glock 17 right here. We can see it's the exact same frame as the 17, man. But when we start to look at the slide, the 17 slide is a lot longer. So the Glock 17 up here and Glock 19X right here. The slide still longer on the 17, but you see we got that 30 barrel. So, but the frame still the same. Alright, we got that Glock 19 right here. See, the frame is real. It's not the same anymore. And then we looking at the slide, and well, the slide is it look a little bit longer on the X, but it's really about the same. It's about the same. So you're getting best of both worlds. So So they splitting shit down the middle. You know what I'm saying? You know, to create this. And if I had to choose one between the three, most definitely it'd be the 19X. Finna put that sight on here, man, and let's see how that shit look with that sight on now. Oh yeah, this is Gen 5 too. My partner was like, he asked me what Gen was it. I told him it was a Gen 5. He told me, no, it ain't. He was just ready to say it wasn't a Gen 5, but it's a Gen 5 on there. He used to seeing the Gen 4 and Gen 5 labeling on there, but you know, I had to get him right. You know, I don't know how YouTube is about putting stuff on, so I'm just gonna fast forward and see if they allow that real quick. But we got the Hollis and sight on there. I'm gonna be putting this on. Y'all see it got the green light in there, so go ahead, take this off. Woo! It is right here. There she is, man. Glock 19X. Gen 5. Got the Hollis and sight on her now. Yes, sir. On there real good. Let's see. Ooh. She on. Hot and ready. So yeah, man, we ready now. Ready to go. Ready to go test something out, man. For sure. Man, shit, like I said, man, y'all appreciate y'all for watching, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope it was something I could help y'all out with, you know, but this motherfucker looks so beautiful, man. Glock 19X, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing, man. Everybody have a good day, man. Be careful.